During this week, we get together with people we worked with, which is our IMD colleagues, but also with other external sources, which are the ECAL students, but also with professionals of the sector of football and events. So it's all about getting different points of view together and innovate.
UEFA has given us a very interesting challenge. We have 1 week to come up with ideas that can improve the fans' experience.
I think when it specifically comes to this challenge, accessibility is a major problem, especially how we approach spectators with special needs and how they're able to interact with football and other people who enjoy football.
We're off to go to the restaurant at IMD to interview some fans regarding the Innovation Week Challenge, which is around UEFA. So it's going to be really interesting to get a first-hand perspective directly from fans that enjoy football, just like myself. See what they think, how their experience have been in terms of fan zones, going to arenas, going to the matches themselves. So the idea here is for us to really capture the essential information that we think will bring some value to the product that we might be able to design.
So we left our campus and then go all the way to Lyon, to UEFA headquarters, and we interviewed UEFA experts who had experience in organizing London Olympic Games, and we talk about how we can leverage digital tools to enhance the physical experience of all those football fans.
We're going to pull out all the important information, seeing really how they're different based on the different buckets and tiers of fans, whether it be a hardcore fan, maybe someone who's a little bit more laid back, someone who doesn't necessarily go for just the games, but the experience.
It will be a real challenge for them to deliver something at Euro 2020, but a younger generation bringing new ideas to 2024, that would be ideal.
We have two main ideas, main things that we need to finish. The first one is prototyping. And prototyping is all about creating a product tangibly, physically, seeing our ideas in real life. At the same time, we also need to do our storyboarding, where we have to create our presentation and prepare what we need to tell these people.
I want to challenge the thinking of the jury panel. I want them to think differently about the range of possibilities that exist. So let's try to be bold, let's try to be daring, let's try to really push the envelope in the kinds of ideas that we want to bring to the table.
We won. I mean, yeah, we won. I was not expecting it. Our team was not expecting it. But I believe we just tried to achieve our goal, which was bring simple and impactful solutions to the needs of UEFA and ultimately the spectators.